In the world of modern warfare, stealth is power. The United States has the B-2 Spirit and the new B-21 Raider, but now China is entering the arena with its own version, the H-20 stealth bomber. And what's alarming is that China isn't planning to make just one or two. It could build hundreds of these. But what does this mean for global power dynamics? Let's break it down. The H-20 is China's first long-range stealth bomber. It's being developed by Xi'an Aircraft Industrial Corporation and is often compared to America's B-2 Spirit. Why? Because of its similar flying wing design. No tail, wide wingspan, and a shape made to avoid radar detection. Reports suggest the H-20 may have a range of up to 13,000 kilometers, which can cover most of the world, a payload capacity of 30 to 40 tons. That's enough to carry nuclear or conventional bombs, and advanced stealth technology to slip past air defenses. Let's understand why the H-20 matters so much. Till now, China relied on its H-6 bombers, which are basically upgraded versions of old Soviet aircraft from the 1950s. They're loud, easy to detect, and have limited range. But with the H-20, China could potentially strike United States bases in the Pacific, India, Europe, or even the continental United States, all without being seen on radar. That kind of stealth plus range equals strategic power. And if China really produces hundreds of these, that's a direct challenge to United States global air dominance, something no other country has managed since the Cold War. Now here's the critical part. Let's fact-check. Is this really possible, or is it just another Chinese military flex? The H-20 has not yet been publicly revealed. It's still undergoing testing. US intelligence believes it won't be combat-ready until the 2030s. Some defense analysts think China is exaggerating the timeline or capabilities for geopolitical messaging, but here's what we know for sure. China's military-industrial complex has been expanding fast. They've mass-produced fighters like the J-20 aircraft carriers and hypersonic missiles, so it's not unrealistic that they could scale up production once the H-20 is finalized. This bomber is not just about military use, it's a symbol. It's about status. China wants to show the world it can match or even surpass US military technology. The H-20 gives it power projection, the ability to influence or intimidate without setting foot on enemy territory. It also helps China challenge the US Indo-Pacific dominance, especially as tensions rise over Taiwan and the South China Sea. In essence, the H-20 is not just a plane, it's part of China's strategy to reshape the global power balance. To conclude, the H-20 stealth bomber could be one of the most significant military developments of this decade. If China manages to build and deploy it in large numbers, it would signal a dramatic shift in military capability, especially in Asia. But until then, it remains a mystery aircraft. No confirmed photos, no flight footage, only projections and claims. Is it a real threat or just strategic hype? Only time will tell. Until then, one thing is clear. The arms race of the 21st century isn't just about nukes or troops. It's about stealth, speed, and symbolism. If you found this breakdown useful, share it with your friends and let me know what you think. Jai Hind.